Hi guys, in project then you click open project. Now we see first click new project. Now this is very important. You must select your first project name and your description and what is this file location. Now we just click next. It's very important, especially the basic unit project doing um, this empirical metric. This is a international academic unit. This is a very important part. We choose must be empirical or metric. We choose empirical, click next, and this is international format. We choose 5 ISA. ISA is one of the most popular format, and we choose 5. Then it is just finish. We click P&ID drawing button. Now we click mouse icon, click and we create new drawing. Drawing name is what. This is important, must be select this color. If this is not available, we just click this and make sure this format must be specific. Make sure this is you choose in different format also. But I recommend you must be choose this format. Now okay. This is a plotting area. Now if we this is if your total bed in here, you can just drag and drop the drawing. And this is also very different kind of model we learn in future, but it's a very specific purpose of use of this, and what is this specific purpose use of this. We just learn in future. We just learn basic drawing. Now we just click this. You see, this is total there. Just drag drop your mouse, you zoom in then zoom out. Now we select this split and click right hand click in mouse, and you must be choose P&ID 5 must be choose or P&ID ISO. If you click select ISO format, then we select this. We choose 5, that's why we must be choose P&ID 5. Now this is a different kind of line. This is primary line and this is secondary line. We choose first primary line. See, this is very easy. Now we see different kind of bulb, different kind of fittings, different kind of instruction. This is very easy. Now we next see how we use properly. So follow this playlist and channel. Thanks for watching.